Happy morning, children. This is the third session of first chapter, Multimedia and Desktop Publishing. In this session, we are going to see file formats of multimedia. There are many file formats. Already we have seen the components of multimedia. Now, regarding that, we are going to see what are the formats, file formats of multimedia. Okay. So, the file formats for multimedia are text formats, image formats, audio file formats, as well as video file format. So, you have learned the components of multimedia like text, image, audio, video, animation and all. For those components, we are going to see the file formats. File formats means which extension file is applicable for text. What type of files are applicable for image, then audio and video. Those things we are going to see now. First, coming to text formats. See, formats means we are going to see about the extension of file names. We are able to identify what type of file it is, whether it is audio file or video file or image file. How we are going to identify using this format only. So next is text formats. As I said, we are going to see the formats. Out of that, the first format which we are going to see is text format. Text format means you have learned plain text, types of text, that is static text and hypertext. Now the format is rich text format as well as plain text. Rich text format means this is considered to be a formatted one. You can format the text. We are applying many, you are using many applications like MS Word. If you are creating document, you are able to format the text also. So that type of text is called as rich text format. This rich text file format is introduced in 1987 by Microsoft company. With the specification of their published products and for cross-platform documents interchange they have introduced. So in Notepad, whenever you are creating document using Notepad, that text is considered as plain text. You are not able to format the text. So it is considered as plain text. Plain text files can be opened, read and edited, or you can able to read that file. Most of the text editors are containing plain text only. Okay. See the difference between the rich text and plain text. Here at the bottom window indicates Notepad application where the text is typed but it cannot be formatted. Whereas on the top we are able to, that window have, that application has many formatting options and we are able to format that also. So that type of text is called as rich text format. So now you are able to differentiate which is formatted text and which is plain text. So regarding text file formats, you have to know about two formats. One is plain text, which is created using text editors and which cannot be formatted. Second one is rich text format, which can be formatted. Okay. Next, we are moving to image formats. There are many image formats. Among this, you have learnt or you have a good knowledge about JPEG and GIF only. You have come across these two things only. Okay, so when we are considering this image formats, we are able to identify many types of image formats. One is TIFF, BMP, DIB, GIF, JPEG, TGA, finally PNG. So there are many image formats: TIFF, BMP, DIB. The expansion of TIFF is tagged image file formats. BMP is bitmap files. DIB is device independent. The common or popular image formats are GIF and JPEG. So first, if you're going to see about TIFF, this format is common in desktop publishing. In DTP, we are using this high quality output format only, and it is supported by almost all software packages. Recent version of TIFF allows image compression also, and the format is comfortable for moving large files between computers. This type of file formats is comfortable for moving large files between computers. Next is BMP. Initially, this format is in use with Windows 3.1. It is quite large and uncompressed, and hence BMP is used for high resolution or large images only. So BMP will have disadvantage. DIB means this format which is similar to BMP. DIB is similar to BMP, but it allows the files to be displayed on a variety of devices. Next, GIF. GIF, this is 13-bit color lookup table is used by GIF format, very particular. In the old versions of this book, it is given as 8-bit, but here now in new version it is clearly given as, for GIF it is 13-bit color. Okay, so this file format is best suitable for graphics that uses only limited colors. Next is JPEG. JPEG was designed to attain maximum image compression. You know what is compression? Compression technique, reducing the file size. But a compression technique or method is referred that loses some of the data required for the image reconstruction. There are two types of compression: lossy compression and lossless. Lossy, while compressing, definitely it will lose some quality, whereas in lossless it will not. Okay, next is TGA. It is the first popular format for high resolution images. TGA is supported by most of video capture boards. Okay. Next is PNG. Expansion of PNG is portable network graphics. Portable. PNG acts as a replacement for GIF. It replaces GIF and also replaces multiple common uses of TIFF. PNG works good with online viewing application like World Wide Web. So it is fully streamable with the best display option. So I think you have understood this image formats. TIFF in common in desktop. So next lesson we are going to see about desktop publishing only. So TIFF is commonly used in desktop, which will produce high quality output. BMP, initially this format is in use with Windows 3.1. It is large and uncompressed. DIB, similar to BMP. Next is image format. Next image format is GIF, 13-bit color. Very particular about this 13-bit. TGA expansion is TAGRA. Video capture, it is supported by most of the video capture. PNG, this is a replacement of GIF. This works good with online viewing application like World Wide Web. So in this session, what else we have discussed? First one is text formats. We are discussing about formats, file formats of multimedia. First topic what we have seen is text file formats. Next one is image. In image file only we have different formats. Now coming to audio file formats. Audio file formats, here also we have many audio file like MP3, AIFF, OGG, WMA, Windows Media Audio, then WAV files, WAV files, waveform audio file format. If you see WAV, it is most popular audio file format in Windows. WAV also Windows for storing uncompressed sound files. We are talking about audio, nothing but sound. In order to attain the reduced file size, it can also be converted to other file formats like MP3. So this WAV can be converted into MP3 also. Coming to MP3. This is most popular format for storing and downloading music. Everybody have come across MP3. The MP3 files are roughly compressed to 1/10 the size of an equivalent WAV files. Can be compressed. Then next is OGG. It is the open source. You know that. It is designed for obtaining better streaming and evolving at high-end quality digital multimedia. So OGG, high-end quality. It can be compared to MP3. OGG can be compared to MP3 files in terms of quality. So you can just remember that OGG is equal to MP3 and compared with quality. AIFF, this is a standard audio file format used by Apple, which is like a WAV. So AIFF can be compared with WAV. OGG can be compared with MP3 in terms of quality. WMA, W means Windows. So whenever we are talking about Windows, we have to remember Microsoft. It is popular Windows Media Audio format owned by Microsoft and designed with digital right management abilities for copyright. Copyright means, you know, it is nothing but we cannot use those things. Copyright issues will come. Next is RA, Real Audio Format. It is designed for streaming audio over the internet. So in internet, you can use this type of format. The digital audio resources are usually stored as a computer file in computer's hard drive or CD/DVD. Besides the variety of audio file formats available, the most common formats are WAV files. Okay, this is about audio format. Next is video file format. See, there are many video file formats. MPEG itself, it is available. MPEG is nothing but Moving Picture Experts Group. MOV is also a video file format. AVI, WMV, MP4, audio MP3, video MP4. So first, if we are going to see about AVI, audio video interleave, is a video file format for Windows. Here sound and picture elements are stored in alternate interleaved chunks in the file. Whereas in MPEG is a standard for generating digital video and audio compression under the International Standards Organization, ISO. The group has developed MPEG-1, the standard on which video CD and MP3 are based. MPEG-2, the standard that supports products as digital television set-top boxes and DVD. MPEG-4, the standard for multimedia and mobile web. MPEG-7 is also available. MPEG-7, the standard for search of audio and visual content. Research on MPEG-21 multimedia framework has started in 2000. A research is going on with MPEG-21. Simply, MPEG is the standards for digital video and audio compression. So, hope you have understood this topic. Nothing but file formats of multimedia. First session we have seen the components of multimedia, and in components itself, first two components I have explained in first session, whereas in second session I have explained the remaining three components: sound, video, animation. Now in this third session I have explained everything about the formats, file formats of multimedia. Thank you.